Radhika is also with us on the broadcast. She's outside Sushant Singh Rajput's residence, I believe. Radhika, over to you. Take us through what you're seeing around.
Yes, I am outside Sushant Singh Rajput's residence. This is where he had committed suicide some time back. And as you can see, there is an ambulance right inside this house. This is a Bandra area, very close to Carter Road. That's where his residence is. And this is where the incident happened. And that's the ambulance that's come here. From the information that we are getting, the body is still inside this particular apartment where he lived. Soon the body will be taken out, the mortal remains will be taken out, is the information that we are getting from the police officials. The ambulance just arrived about 5 to 10 minutes back to take his body. Well, the initial information is that he committed suicide some time back. The exact reason for it is still not known, whether it's personal, whether it's professional. That is something that is yet to be ascertained. As of now, the Mumbai police officials are ascertaining that this happened a while ago, and the investigations are going on to find out what exactly led to this. We even tried to find out whether any form of suicide note was left by the actor, but the information that we are getting is that as of now there is no information on whether there is any suicide note found, but we believe that some sort of medical records have been found in the house. What it is pertaining to, that is yet to be known. But as of now, the confirmation that we can give is that this incident happened a while ago, and the ambulance is right inside this residence. The body is still inside. Police officials, a team of police officials from Bandra police station is inside at the moment.
Ramaswamy reporting from Sushant Singh Rajput's residence, the late actor. His body will be taken by an ambulance. The procedure is that an autopsy will be conducted, and only then the police authorities will conclusively be able to say what is the cause of the death. The police authorities so far have confirmed to CNN News 18 that prima facie it looks like a case of suicide. The investigation is underway, as Radhika Ramaswamy was pointing out, that certain medical documents have been found. What exactly those documents are, is there a suicide note? All these questions will be answered to us in just a bit from now. Radhika Ramaswamy is with us on the broadcast, getting us all the very important details on that story. Radhika, do we know of any family member who is there, any friends who have visited his residence right now? Radhika, if you can hear me. All right, we'll try and just connect with Radhika yet again. There's a small problem with that audio, but Radhika is with us on the broadcast. These are the visuals that we are getting from Sushant Singh Rajput's home. The police is taking the body away. There's an ambulance you can see there. The media has gathered in large number. The family, what Rajiv Masand was telling us, resides in Patna. He's survived by a father and a sister. Condolence, strength to the family. Radhika, I think, is back with us on the broadcast. Radhika, do we know of any friends who have come there at the residence right now? Other than the police and the medical staff, is there anyone else who's present at the residence?
Yes. Yes, at the moment, Anusha, there is nobody inside. All we know is that police officials are inside. No friends or family at the moment inside. Probably some close family members could be here, but otherwise nobody has been allowed inside. You can see a team of police officials right outside his residence. We are giving you live visuals from outside his residence. That's the ambulance that has come here to take his body. We have a team of police officials from Bandra police station right outside his residence at the moment. Investigations are going on. The initial information that we got from the Mumbai police officials is that this suicide incident happened some time back, and no suicide note has been left is the initial information we are getting, but that's something that needs to be ascertained. But some medical documents have been found is what some of the police officials are saying. So investigation is going on. The Mumbai police officials are currently tight-lipped. We know for a fact that his former manager had passed away a few days back. Police is also trying to find out if this has got anything to do with, that death. Many angles being investigated. Is it professional? Is it personal? That is something that is yet to be known. But yes, this is the, scene outside his residence. Not too many people allowed inside because investigations are going on. Only police officials are inside at the moment. The information that we got is that a housemaid found his body sometime in the afternoon, and that is what led the police to believe. In fact, he was found hanging by the housemaid is the initial information that we get. Therefore, police is taking it as a suicide, and right now more angles are being probed at the moment. But yes, right now a team of police officials at Sushant Singh Rajput's residence to find out what exactly must have led the actor to take this extreme step. Is it personal? Is it professional? Was there any sort of financial issue? Was there any sort of personal rivalry? Or was it something